Jai Swaminarayan students. Thought for the day is, a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Children, today we are starting with lesson number 2, that is operating the computer. Right? So starting a computer. If we want to work on a computer, first of all, we will have to turn it on, right? We'll have to switch it on. Now let us learn how to start a computer. So how will you start a computer? You start a computer in 3 steps. First is you will switch on the main power supply. See, you can see on the screen, right? First step, you will switch on the main power supply. The computer, it works on electricity. So to start a computer, first we have to switch on the main power supply. Then what is the next step? The next step is, after that you will switch on the CPU, right? You will, as you can see on the screen, step 2, you will press the start button, you will press the power button of the CPU. Then the third step, you will switch on the monitor, right? Most of the monitors, they have on and off button, right? So what you will do, you will switch on the monitor with that on button, right? So these are the 3 steps in which you start a computer. First step is you switch on the main power supply. Second is you switch on the CPU, and the third is you switch on the monitor. Desktop and icons, right? The first screen of the computer is called a desktop, as you can see on the screen, right? As soon as you start a computer, the first screen which appears, that is called desktop. And you can see those small pictures which appear on the screen on the left side. It is called icon. So all these little pictures, small pictures which are there on the desktop are called icons, right? To open them, what you need to do, you will take a mouse and you will click the mouse button on the icon, and that specific icon will open, right? See, as you can see, this is the desktop, right? Those are the small pictures are called icons, right? The lower last part of the desktop, bottom part, is called the taskbar, and in the taskbar the first button is start button. Okay, now if you step near the window of your room, what you will see? You will see many things through it, right? So in the same way, the computer also have windows, but we can open and view programs, applications in windows like paints, games, calculator, right? So that is called windows. Children will continue with the rest of the lesson in the next period. Jai Swaminarayan.